Good.
I gotta tell you, I'm grateful
That
and
was
I'm
so
thankful
good.
for not giving up. And if you're all out there, some people feel like giving up today, I want you to tell you, do not give up.
They said you ain't got a prayer, a chance and you nowhere, but I just didn't care. When I looked in your eyes, you were a long shot from the start, an easy way to break my heart. But as perfect as you are, you gotta risk it all sometimes. I believe in the underdog who chases dreams and breaks down walls, the shy kid who gets the prom queen, who's never been the star of anything. And those two lovers kissed at City Hall, they've got each other so they've got it all. Call me a dreamer, say I'm a little naive, oh but I believe in the underdog.